I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 38 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a song name. I've got In the Garden, that's one of my favorite hymns. A group of 3. I've got these cute 3 little kittens. And this is a printable from Christie's Printables on Facebook. She has got some gorgeous printables, and she has some that are so funny. A game or puzzle piece, I've got this domino piece. Something imaginary, I got this from my antiquarian sticker book, bibliography, and so I'm going to use that. Foreign language text, I've got this scrap from a digital of Louisa Heinzel, and that's German. And the bonus is something stenciled, and I have this index card that I stenciled on my jelly print plate. So I hope everybody's doing great. So let's get started. Well, I'm doing this a little later than normal. I grilled today. It's Saturday, and I want to get this up for tomorrow. And my poor Mississippi State Bulldogs did not do well against LSU at all. Makes me sad, but I love my Bulldogs, but it's pretty farewell typical of them. They are coming off of losing coach last year. Y'all remember Coach Leach, suddenly passed away at the end of the year. So, a new coach and just everything is different. But they have struggled with every coach they've had. I will say that, the year that Dak Prescott was there was their best year. Okay, so I'm just going to let that go across both, and I think I'm going to kind of see how I want to lay these out. Something along like that. And since it's going to be in the garden, I figure I'll have some garden stuff, some flowers. And I've already inked everything. So now it's just a matter of figuring out where I'm going to lay everything. Kind of want to do something along this line. Let's see. If y'all can hear that, my sons and husband are home. Usually it's quiet when I do this because it's very early in the morning. Okay. Kind of like that. And I don't know, maybe something along like that. Not sure how I want to do this. I love those kitty cats. Maybe kind of bring this down a little, maybe go up a little. Okay. Well, I know I like that there. So I'm going to start laying down stuff and just go with however it goes. Well, we finished the season of Justified Primeval, and it was pretty good. It's only 8 episodes. It's better than we thought. It's different than the regular Justified, but I still liked it. And I don't know what we're going to watch now. We've tried out a few shows. We tried watching The Shield, and it's okay. But it just wasn't one that just kind of caught our attention. Language in it's bad, so it's got, if we're going to put up with the bad language, it better have a great storyline. So I think I'm going to put her there. Figure if I go ahead and get some of this stuff down, one, I won't change my mind, and hopefully I won't regret it. But everything keeps sliding. Get these down. They're on cardstock, so they don't want to do that bend so well. Okay, now let's see. Something maybe like that. Oh, tulips. Oh, I like that. So, I just want a big old garden here. I have been reading that Alice Fairberg book. I haven't gotten very far. It's been a little bit slow start. Two, I've been tired and I haven't felt like reading at night. But the point of views is not really something I agree with, so I'm having a hard time. I know it's fiction, but it's hard for me to, when I just totally disagree with the main character's point of views, it's hard for me to kind of keep going. But I'm gonna finish it. I hate not finishing a book. Okay, and I think I'm just put that across there. Maybe in the garden. I think I'm gonna do that. I love Mary Higgins Clark, and I read a book of them together, so I wanted to try a book of hers. And I'll reserve judgment because, you know, just because that's her character's opinions doesn't necessarily make it her opinions. I like that shine on my jelly print, but that was, I didn't know what that's stenciled. Sometimes my pages are stenciled because sometimes I use jelly prints in my Margarete Miller. Some of these are jelly prints, so I don't want to hide the whole print there. I've got this one too. Maybe kind of coming up there. I like that. I need to remember to leave room so I can remember what I'm doing. And I think I'm just going to tuck my prompts in there. Probably should put this down first, and it may catch on my prompts, but I won't be removing them too terribly often, so I'll make it work. kitty cats down. See if I can get my glue to moving. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and she says that she's going to do this again next year, and I'm happy. I really enjoy this challenge. This is the second year I've done it. So I'm excited. Ooh, I don't want to cover my opening, do I? So I'm glad that she's going to do this again. Get that there so I won't forget. And so I'm glad she's gonna do this again because I've really enjoyed it. I don't want to cover up my whole jelly print, so I may just put that one down. Let's see. There we go. I think I'm just going to leave that. I want to see the print. Okay. Too much? Can you have too much flowers? I like that. Oops. Oh, I can add that. And I've got this little bit of ruffle I cut off, so I think I'm just gonna add that for a tab. Trim that. I am almost finished with my farm journal. I've got it pretty much done except for those little final embellishments. There we go. And add that. Make sure I have everything. I hadn't forgotten anything. Okay, we've got a song name in the garden, a group of 3, a game or puzzle piece, something imaginary, foreign language text, and something stenciled. So I've got all my prompts. Now I'm just going to add my splatters because that's what I like to do. This one turned out pretty simple. It's sometimes it's just, you don't have to make it complicated. Sometimes it gets that way with me, but thankfully not this time. Okay. Do some gold. And I'll do some black. Okay. Well, it is finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. I really like how it turned out. If you did like this, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful week. Y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.